Hello everyone, Aquarius out there, welcome to my channel Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. And I hope that you all are doing well, guys, getting guidance as far as possible. I'm trying my level best to give you all the messages, okay? Follow me on my Instagram, Essentials Running, SASHELLS. You can contact for private readings, Essential Speaks Messages @gmail.com. Information is available in the description box, okay? And these are general universal readings. Time is all illusions flowing, okay? So timeless. Also twin flame soulmates connections and roles can be reversed, okay? So I will just start. Sending you love all the way from India. Let's start, okay? So I feel here very strong message of someone won't be able to catch up with some energy here. Now either this is yours or someone in specific. It's like the pace is so fast that they won't be able to catch up, okay? I see here they tried, but something is going in reverse. I see someone who is approaching, possible again or possible new. Howsoever it goes, there is something or someone who is not interested. They are saying no. So the catch up is going to be very I'm picking difficult, okay? So I'm going to be starting up with your reading, and I also want to use this particular deck by Sylvia Browne. Ignore the sound, sorry. There was one Korean drama I was watching, and in that it came like sorry and the way she says it was like was so actually beautiful, okay? So that's your card. We're going to discuss it, and we're going to read this. And also I want to say that there is someone's proposal that will be reversed, or possible an apology. Whatever is going to happen is going to be in the reverse effect, okay? I see here someone will try to approach you. For some cases that's a male energy who is going to approach you. May go for females as well, it doesn't matter that way. But I see like someone is standing with the rose or with an apology or what something that they want to say here. The gentleman approach, not exactly the gentleman is approaching. It's so difficult to find out the gentleman's or gentlewoman. Is there a sentence? I don't know a word, but whatever is here, kind of that. Okay, now listen. I saw the doll, DOLL. The doll was sitting in front of the wall. It was a room, but someone was sitting just in front of the wall, just like the baby, the toddler sits with the legs like this, and it was like giving me the sign of the energy was not well, okay? And she was sitting, her hair were long, braided, very heavy, kind of, they were braided, and there was one scissors. I hope I'm making sense. There was scissors left, you know, sorry, scissors were there. I sometimes go wrong with my words, don't mind, okay? So there was one scissors left on the side, as if there is a decision that this female energy is going to make. It's about cutting the trail. It's about making a decision. It's about the nest you're in or the relationship you are in. When I talk about nest, is all about even kids, family, and all that, or something that you are about to decide. Now this is telling me that big a major decision. For me personally, when girls, you know, the female energies, they cut their hair, okay? They trim their hair, they cut their hair. They are about to have a big transformation in their life, which is on a positive note, okay? To be honest, for some cases, because you got this card here and I just read it, dealing with depression, this could be connected with the weight. This could be something, a decision. This could be something that they are about to decide. When there is scissors also, someone is in deep possible anxiety or depression, and I am talking since long I mean in my last few readings as well, that if you know someone who needs help, don't leave them alone, please. Because as tarot readers and psychic and intuitive, the predictions that we do, something is happening around the corner and it feels like very heavy energy inside, but we cannot be anywhere at the same time. I mean, you cannot travel there. I cannot be there, whatever I'm viewing, and we don't know what is going on and where it is going on. We just see the messages. Sometimes it is very clear, sometimes it is very blur. So I saw someone who was sitting and was in depression and anxiety and was not well. You got the card dealing with depression. Are you dealing or someone is dealing? Or maybe you are dealing with someone who is going through this kind of situation, hiding their emotions under the umbrella, under an umbrella. You don't know what is in their eyes. Tears you can see because they're covering them up and they are walking in the rain when no one can see the tears even. So the situation is like that, okay? And I see here someone refused something, you or the other person, or you you were cherishing something and now they're not reciprocating, or possible someone you want to reach to, they're unapproachable or they're not available, or someone wants to approach to you, you're not available because you are in that position right now, you're not letting them in, or they are not letting you in. So whatever is happening here, that's why the energy was sitting and was thinking about how come we got into all of this mess. Are you supposed to be in this? No, you're not supposed to be in this. Though you are there, but your place is not there. Okay? I really want people to help one another, to bring back people out of the depressions and anxieties, save them, secure them, spread the word, because it is very important. Very, very, very important. I'm stressing on these words because it is important. And this is not something that we should not discuss. We should. Talking will help each other come out of the situations. Understand that. Okay, so the message written here is this. I'm going to read out. Depression does exactly what it sounds like. It pushes you down and makes you immobile. When you set your sights outside of yourself and begin to help others, depression turns into expression. The expression of God's goodness through you. Now listen to me. I talked about talking. I talked about helping one another. That is what expression. So depression may be converted into that. So even if you're going through that, just buck up, stand up from that place. Even if someone else is going through that and you know it, talk to them, please. Because the energy was sitting. So it's like pushes you down. Someone was sitting down on the floor, near the wall, about to make a decision. This may be something bad decision as well. Getting my point? Because there were scissors. So what are they up to? Please. So dealing with depression is something that you have to come out if you are going through that. Overthinking about someone. They're not giving you an umbrella anymore. No more affection or warmth. Some breakup is here. Problems in the relationship. Are you like supposed to be under this? Don't you know that there is something better outside? I mean, even if you get wet in the rain, just remove this umbrella and cry for once. Cry and let it flow. Okay? Please. Because I see here you're going to say no to someone because they make you go through all this. Okay? Some pattern, some structure, whatever it was. You might have thought that was not justified here. Or someone might be blaming you that I am in anxiety because of you, and you might not be even the cause of that. Howsoever it goes for you. So Justice Libra card here. So you're coming from Ten of Swords. Your now is Queen of Pentacles. Your future called the Empress. This flipped out as well. I think something that you gave a lot of importance to and that you felt was so organized and everything was fine. But you're coming from Ten of Swords. Some of you are very strong. You're coming from anxiety, depression, edge of something. And you decided that this is time to let it out and become a butterfly kind of energy wherein transition is so important. Okay, or maybe someone who is connected with you, like a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they are going through some stress, about to make a big decision. So this is a support that you're going to be for someone that you're going to let them out of this depression or anxiety or whatever. So maybe you're the source. So maybe you're the friend of someone. Maybe someone is helping you out. Roles can be reversed. These are all situations. But there was definitely one doll sitting. Why? Who that doll is? Who that doll is? Someone you need to talk or get into talking terms, or maybe this is you, because that was a female energy. Obviously 100%. So she might be ready to have the conversation or for the decision. Now for many of you, this is on a positive note. For many of you, why? Because this is Ace of Swords, which is about I'm done and I'm done with the decision. Scissors is also kind of like a sharp thing, which is about I'm going to make a big transformation in my life. Someone is going to change for the better. So it's about time. In the midst, possibly you are in the midst of 50-50, confusion is there, but now this is someone you are going to have the last communication to make the decision. Let them go. Finalization, signatures, documents, but a clear communication here. That's what I see. So you no longer stay in this, or someone doesn't stay in this. Your future call is about letting loose of what you were sticking with, longing in, or longing for. Communication or the flight that you are supposed to take towards the sun, that is for more good and for freedom, independence, and getting freedom from fragile states. The Empress is going to be giving you a fertile land, new place, new things. Okay, whether you are a mother, a father, or whomsoever, this is something that you're going to make way. In your now Queen of Pentacles, which is about more organizations, working on yourself is so important here, and you're going to be doing it. Something being causing you stress, something that you might be reading about, the articles. We are all going through so many things that we read, and then we go into this sort of situation. You need not to. You need to take stand for that. You need not to go that way. Don't fall for that. Don't push yourself down. Yes, it is about Seven of Pentacles. Decision on hold, something that made you impatient, or maybe it's still you're waiting for that call, that message. Okay, you're still waiting. Three of Wands. It's time to buck up, make plans, and wait for new ships. I mean, take the voyage. You go in the ship. Don't wait. Make plans. Explore. Okay, it is way more important now. There is something that is calling out. You cannot sit there. That is what I think transformation is coming for you as a doll and kind of energy, wherein she is cutting her hair or trimming her hair to shed the weight of those, the braids, the ties, the entanglements. Hair, when they are entangled, again, this will make your hair heavy, then its weight on shoulders, its weight on your body, its weight on your spine, everything. It affects your health. So someone is trimming the hair possible. So it is about trimming all the situations those are not working for you. Chariot, making way out, or deciding, okay, whether to be with this or not. Some going to be in a fulfilling relationship here, bearing a child and then moving on. Some going to be single mother, single father, as in this case I see, and I'm picking the female energy more. So a mother is becoming single mother, female energy walking out. Chariot is a Cancerian card. Someone might try to contact you, or maybe you're making way out of this contact because it's because of the depression or some sort of pattern. I also see letting loose. Someone is letting them go with the one they want. So letting loose. No more hold on. Two of chalices. Two of chalices. Two of unions. Two of cups energy. So it's about deciding in the midst of either two, choosing your partner, or letting the person choose. This may be someone who will recall or call out to be with you or to meet you to have a proper closure. Some of you been asking on this and it's not coming. Then what? You're under stress. And that's why you're going to be closing this chapter on your own. That is what the Chariot and the energy and the Ace of Swords. Talking with your own self. I see, like when you are sitting, if it's your energy, You're sitting in front of the the wall. You are making decision. You are deciding for your own self. Finalizations of some things, so that I can be better, I can mirror myself. What is for you in the future? For you in the future, it's Knight of Pentacles, a pickup energy. I see slow and steady, but you're going to work on yourself. You're going to put energy on yourself. Exploration. Okay? Which is actually important. Knight of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy might be. But it's about not falling, rather picking up your energy. Five of Pentacles. So this may be that you may hear out from someone, but in your future you might hear out from someone, but do you really want to be in this state? Five of Pentacles is such a draining energy here if it is predicted, just like depression and anxiety. We are talking about that. Don't drain yourself, don't make yourself fragile, don't make yourself old, just because old because of depression and anxiety. Getting aged with grace is beautiful. That's what I feel. So this is something, don't let someone pull you down. Five of Pentacles energy. Okay? Don't get affected. Keep working, keep working. Some of you are not getting what you are supposed to get actually in work or money, but it is good. It is steady at least. It's not so low. So please don't feel that, oh, I'm not getting that. You're working hard. You're going to get it. Take care, guys. I love you and see you soon. But I also feel that this kind of message is about to pick up, or possible someone who's going to contact you here. Could be a Cancerian. Kind of like I love you and I want you, or kind of energy as well. But you are letting loose. No more patterns here. Because main energy is like this. You're saying, no, this is not possible. Okay? Something that's not possible. Take care. I love you. See you soon. Bye.